Women are learning shit now. They're learning how to cook now, thank God. Someone had to do it. We didn't know it was TikTok. TikTok teaching everyone how to cook, man. Girls come at you now with crazy shit, though, right? It's not what your mom cooked. Oh, it's not. Nah, they come at you with some crazy shit, brother. You're like, I got you a waffle carne asada taco. And they're smiling like, you happy? I learned that on TikTok. Even your mom's in the comments like, no mames, mija, no estás... Mija, no mames, te va a dejar, mija. He's gonna leave you.